and dearable day of my India, 26 January. And all our students and audience and guardian and my respectable and honorable guardian and attendants and teachers and headmistress and headmaster and all the teacher staff. I am very grateful. All the seeing and attendance 26 January day of as a Ganatantra Day. And so all the students and teachers and attendants, people and society and community of India. We are proud for 26 January day all are glad. So much, how can we get for freedom from the Ingan of India and Indian all are freedom for England. Today from 73 years ago, all our man's drive for English justice and English company. That name was Robert Clark. Who drives all India and all Indian men for judicial and justice and all every how he drives to India. And men are not satisfied. And some men are to claim we are selfly all are to freedom from England. That they fought against the English, all the literate men and illiterate men and villages men and guardians and all the Indians men bravely and proudly they are to fight against the English. So they found the independent day and 26 January day, Ganatantra Divas, and all are to today as that day comes for 26 January. And that day is very proud day and very glad day.
When I saw you, I felt something